In this video, we'll clarify the various connections of our N-series model by explaining their locations and specific functions, making the setup process straightforward and stress-free. Step 1. Screw the GPS antenna into the location labeled GPS. The GPS antenna is essential for enabling accurate location services. It assists in pinpointing your exact location, which is crucial for applications that require GPS, such as navigation apps and location-based apps. Step 2. Screw the 4G antenna into the location labeled 4G. The 4G antenna is used to enable mobile internet connectivity via SIM card, allowing the device to use internet-based apps even when Wi-Fi is not available. If you are not utilizing a SIM card for internet access, you can skip this step as the 4G antenna will not be required. Step 3. Insert the radio antenna adapter into the location labeled ANT. The antenna adapter is used to connect the new car stereo to the existing antenna in your vehicle, ensuring proper reception of AM and FM radio signals. Step 4. Insert the CAM-VIN wire into the far left slot. This connection is used to link the reverse camera to the radio. The two small blue wires serve to enhance the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi signals and must not be cut or connected to anything else. Step 5. Insert the 6-pin USB 2 wire into the slot adjacent to the camera input. This wire is used to connect additional devices to the radio, such as your mobile device, accessories, or USB stick for file transfers. Step 6. Insert the 4-pin USB 1 wire into the slot adjacent to the USB 2 input. This connection is specifically used for wired Android Auto or Apple CarPlay connections, but can also be used to connect a USB stick for file transfers. Step 7. Use this plug only if you are installing a multi-channel amplifier in your vehicle that requires rear audio inputs. If you are not adding an amplifier, there is no need to connect this plug. If you have a plug-and-play radio with CAN bus, the small white plug will connect to the corresponding small white connector on the cable. Alternatively, if you are not adding a multi-channel amplifier that requires rear output, you can connect the CAN bus wire directly to the radio as demonstrated. If your vehicle does not have a CAN bus connection and you are not installing a multi-channel amplifier to the radio, you can completely skip Step 7, as no connection is necessary. Step 8. Insert the RCA Jack into the far right slot. The RCA Jack is required to connect the built-in fan and external microphone. If you are connecting an amplifier, the RCA Jack provides a subwoofer connection for low frequencies, front right and left output connections for higher frequencies, and a remote turn-on connection for the amplifier. If you are adding a SIM card to the radio, it will connect into the slot located on the RCA Jack. Step 9. Connect the built-in fan into the RCA Jack as demonstrated. The built-in fan is specifically designed to maintain optimal cooling for the radio at all times. Step 10. If adding an external microphone, plug it into the mic input on the RCA Jack. The external microphone enhances audio reception for apps that require microphone input, such as Google Assistant or hands-free calling. Step 11. Insert the wiring harness into the radio. The wiring harness consists of a bundle of wires, each designated for a specific function such as power supply, audio output, and signal transmission. The wiring harness ensures that all connections are properly routed and insulated, reducing the risk of electrical shorts and making the installation process more straightforward and efficient. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide on how to connect the wires for our N-series radio. We hope this video has made the installation process clear and straightforward for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates on our latest products. Happy listening, and enjoy your new radio.